Trump coin price prediction, $100 incoming or full collapse? The $3 billion mystery deepens. The cryptocurrency world has been buzzing with speculation about the official Trump coin $Trump. Especially after recent news and denials involving Trump Media Technology Group TMTG, the company behind former President Donald Trump's Truth Social platform. The big question on every investor's mind is, will $Trump rocket to $100 or face a devastating collapse? And what's really behind the rumored $3 billion capital raise? The $3 billion controversy, what's the truth? Earlier this week, the Financial Times published a bombshell report claiming that TMTG planned to raise a staggering $3 billion, $2 billion through equity and $1 billion via convertible bonds to invest heavily in Bitcoin and other crypto assets. The report cited 6 anonymous insiders, stirring excitement and fear in the crypto community. However, TMTG swiftly pushed back, dismissing the report as clueless writing with less credible sources, fueling more uncertainty rather than clarifying the situation. Why does this matter? Because if true, such a massive capital injection could significantly influence Trump's market dynamics, potentially boosting demand and price. Convertible bonds convertible into company stock also hint at complex financial maneuvering that could affect investor confidence. How has the official Trump coin reacted? The price action over the last 24 hours shows a modest dip of 2.2% to $12.74. This aligns with the broader crypto market, where Bitcoin has slipped 1.7% and the total market capitalization retreated 3.2% to $3.54 trillion. But zooming out to the weekly timeframe reveals a much sharper story. Since last Wednesday, Trump has plunged 14%, underperforming its closest rivals like Dogecoin, which only fell 2.5%, and Bitcoin, which surprisingly gained 1% during the same period. This divergence raises red flags and questions. Is Trump's drop justified by internal issues, lack of news, or waning interest? Or is this a classic shakeout before a powerful comeback as political developments and crypto narratives regain steam? Technical outlook, signals from the charts. Currently, Trump's relative strength index RSI sits at 48 and trending downwards, signaling growing selling pressure but still hovering near neutral territory. This suggests the coin isn't oversold yet, but could be approaching a critical support level. With overall market sentiment mixed, the next few days are crucial. Key support levels must hold to avoid further declines, while a breakout above resistance could trigger strong buying momentum. The bigger picture, why crypto could boom in 2025. Beyond the immediate price action, several macro factors could dramatically alter Trump's trajectory. Regulated U.S. crypto ETFs, the approval of more exchange-traded funds in the U.S. is expected to bring fresh institutional capital into the crypto space. Crypto regulation clarity, regulatory frameworks becoming clearer and more favorable could boost investor confidence. Expanding crypto adoption, more businesses and platforms accepting cryptocurrencies, including high-profile partnerships, could drive demand. Bitcoin's recent all-time high of $111.814 has reignited the hope of a bull market that could lift altcoins, including Trump, alongside it. Price targets, $36 or $100? If bullish momentum continues, Trump could realistically climb back to around $36. Roughly halfway to its all-time high of $73.43 recorded just 2 days after launch on January 19. But what if there's a game changer? Major developments like strategic partnerships, integrations into popular platforms, or endorsements could push the coin past resistance and make a historic run toward the elusive $100 mark. Such a surge would attract massive media attention, driving FOMO, fear of missing out, among retail investors, further accelerating the price rise. Risks, what could trigger a collapse? Of course, the flip side is real. A failure to deliver on promises. Regulatory crackdowns, or loss of political relevance could send Trump into a free fall. Investor skepticism remains high due to the coin's meme nature and its heavy ties to political dynamics rather than intrinsic utility. Market manipulation or large sell-offs by whales could exacerbate volatility. Conclusion: watch closely, trade wisely. The official Trump coin sits at a crossroads. Will it seize the moment and rise toward $100? Fueled by renewed political hype and crypto optimism? Or will uncertainty and market pressure cause it to collapse? For holders and traders, staying informed about developments from TMTG, market trends, and regulatory news is critical. The next few weeks will likely define Trump's path, whether to glory or collapse. Stay tuned for more updates on Trump coin and the evolving crypto market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for instant alerts on the biggest crypto stories.